In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the delivery manager's roles, responsibilities, and skills in US Staffing. So let's start. First, we understand who is the delivery manager. In the US Staffing industry, a delivery manager is the person who leads and manages the entire recruitment delivery process. They act as the link between the account managers and the recruiters, ensuring that client requirements are delivered accurately, quickly, with the right quality. You can say the account manager gets the requirement, but the delivery manager ensures it's delivered. They manage teams, target, timelines, and quality all at once. Next is key roles and responsibilities. So let me tell you what a delivery manager actually does day to day in US Staffing. First is managing recruitment team. The delivery managers manage a team of recruiters and bench sales recruiters. They assign job requirements, set daily or weekly goals, and monitor recruiter performance. They provide guidance, motivation, and training to help recruiters succeed. In short, they are the team leaders, mentor, and performance coach. Next is ensuring on-time delivery. The delivery manager ensures that every client requirement is worked on immediately and delivered within deadlines. They track progress, follow up with recruiters, and resolve issues quickly. In short, they make sure no job gets delayed or missed. Next is quality control and submission review. Before profiles are submitted to client, the delivery manager reviews them for accuracy, skills match, formatting, and professionalism. They ensure that each submission meets client expectation and reflect the company's quality standards. In short, they are the final checkpoint before client submission. Next is coordination with account managers. The delivery manager works closely with account managers to understand client needs, feedback, and priorities. They keep the account manager updated about submission progress, interviews, and candidate status. In short, they maintain strong communication between client-facing and recruitment teams. Next is recruitment strategy and planning. The delivery manager plans the recruitment approach, which sourcing method to use, which portals to focus on, and how to close position faster. They analyze market trends, client requirements, and team performance to improve the overall process. In short, they create strategies that lead to faster and better results. Next is handling escalation and challenges. If any issue arises, like client complaint, candidate dropout, or team conflict, the delivery manager steps in to resolve it professionally. They maintain a calm, solution-oriented approach. In short, they are the problem solvers of the recruitment team. Next is reporting and metrics. The delivery manager tracks and reports key metrics like submission, interviews, offers, and closures. They share performance updates with the senior management and suggest areas for improvement. In short, they measure success through data and continuous improvement. Next is skill required for a delivery manager. Here are the top skills needed. Strong leadership skills to guide and motivate the team. Excellent communication to coordinate between clients, account manager, and recruiters. Deep recruitment knowledge, understanding sourcing, screening, and hiring process. Analytical thinking to analyze metrics and identify performance gaps. Time management and multitasking to handle multiple clients and deadlines. Decision-making ability to resolve issues quickly and effectively. Coaching and mentoring skills to train new recruiters and help them grow. In short, a delivery manager must think like a leader, act like a coach, and deliver like a strategist. Next is conclusion. The delivery manager in US Staffing is responsible for ensuring that every client requirement is fulfilled efficiently. Every recruiter performs at their best and every submission meets quality standards. They are the driving force that keeps the recruitment engine running smoothly and effectively. Without them, even the best recruiter and client can lose coordination. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. on US Staffing and Recruitment Insight. See you in the next one. Until then, stay productive and keep delivering excellence.